Hey guys, welcome to Risk Scripts. Today I'm showing you our in-game GPS tracker creator script. With this script, you can create and manage new trackers directly in-game, without touching any code and without restarting the server or the resource. You can enable and disable all trackers directly from the menu. You can also set the update interval. For example, if the player is more than 200 meters away from you, the position will only update every 5 seconds to save performance. If the player is within 200 meters, it updates live. You can define the tracker item name, and you can even set a different item for each job if you want. All notification messages can be edited directly in the menu as well. When you save your changes, they are applied instantly without needing to restart the script. So let's create a tracker for the police. You can set the Blip name, and if you want the police to use a different tracker item than other jobs, you can configure that here as well. For example, if the police get robbed, you can give them a special tracker item that only they can use, while other players can't use the police tracker. Here you can choose if the GPS turns off when the person is in the water, if it disables when they're dead, and if tracking should show when the person is inside specific vehicles. You can also enable or disable every notification, all fully job-specific. Here you can see the Blip settings, which Blip to use, its size, its color, and all other options. Short range means the tracker is always visible on the minimap. Show heading adds the small arrow that shows which direction the person is facing, and you can also enable the large view cone, or just use both. Here you have the vehicle settings, where you can choose which vehicle gets which color and which blip will be displayed. As mentioned before, you can enable or disable every notification, and you can choose whether the blip should stay visible even when the person is dead. When a player jumps into the water, you can choose whether the GPS should turn off or stay active. You'll also get your own notifications when you jump into the water or when your tracker becomes dry again.